Well, hello, dear. Hello, dear. Hello. Though a deer, a fiend, there he goes, off into the wild. Hello, dear. Get it? Hello, dear. Mommy dearest. Wherever there's one, there's some not too far behind. I don't know if you can see, but there's smudge prints right there. And this tool, some people argue with me and say that this is a maintenance tool and it can't handle heavily soiled windows. And if you agitate it enough and you have the proper solution, this won't be an issue. But let's take this bronze pad for a second. This will cut down the agitation process of those heavily soiled smudge prints. You just flip it back. You wet the window, flip it back, and surprisingly, sometimes I gotta remind myself to zone here because this is the only tool I have like this. It's an easy enough mod to do. If you're a little unsure how to do it with your Wagtail, just comment below and I will make an explanation of what I've done and how to get it done. All right, that's today's little Masters at Wagtail tip. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's up? So I'm on my way to Firestone. I'm going over the Ben Franklin Bridge. In case some of you don't know, I call it the Blue. After all, the bridge is blue. Ben Franklin. So last year I got my AC compressor done. I paid the Firestone almost $800 to get it done. I only used it twice and it's not working. Now, I can't imagine the compressor going bad, but unfortunately I think my warranty was only for 6 months. It's way past 6 months, but I'm on my way to see if I have favor, to see if the Lord is going to take care of me. I'm not going to just assume the worst and just say, oh, the compressor went again. Maybe I have a leak. Maybe it's something simple. Maybe it's a fuse. Who knows? But let's just see if I have favor. But I do have favor because I just came over the bridge and the toll is $5. I wanted to pay the toll and the guy said, go. I said, what do you mean? He said, the guy in front of you paid. And I thought that was outstanding. You know, people are good. There is good people in the world. And if you're constantly doing good, these are the things you can expect to be blessed in your life without even being aware of it or knowing that it's coming. Just know that if your mindset is based on having fellow compassion for your fellow man or fellow woman, and you lift them up, you pick them up, and you don't put them down, and you don't hurt anybody physically or verbally, these are the kind of things you can expect. This was the first time in history someone has ever paid for me to go across the bridge. And you know, it all happened so fast that I was really, really unprepared. And I said, really? To the toll guy. And the lady that was standing behind him, I guess they get ready to change shifts. She's smiling because, you know, she thought it was a good gesture. And so did I. So without thinking, I should have just paid them anyway and say, pay for that guy behind me. But I wasn't thinking because it all happened so fast. But I'm going to do that another time. I promise y'all that. I'm gonna pay it forward. I'm gonna pay for another person's toll, but I'm gonna play it forward later on today. I'm gonna buy someone's order. If I'm going in the store, I don't know how much they're gonna have, but I'm gonna try my best to pay for the whole order to return the favor, just to keep the universal law going. And I'm gonna do one even better next week when I come. No, Wednesday when I come back over the bridge. I got some high work I'm gonna be posting a video probably on for Wagtail Wednesday. This Wednesday coming up, and I'm gonna just pay for somebody's toll behind me. But all right, this is Master at Wagtail. There was nothing to see here, just something to hear. Words of encouragement, and just a little message. Stay positive, stay focused. Everything's gonna be all right, man. You gotta have faith. You gotta have faith. We are a victim of our own demise, and we are our own worst enemy. No one else. We are our own worst enemy. You feel me? Because no one's holding a gun to your head. No one's making you do anything in life. It's all up to you. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you. Bam!